I think I have somebody else who wants to make a shower. Look at her. She was been nesting and she have a little baby. So she came out and she will really love to have a shower. Look at her. Usually she's flying away, but now she's standing. Oh! Her husband is also there. Roselito, Ella. Roselito. Rosella. Ella, αγάπη μου. Ella, Rosella. You can see her. Look. That means she was sitting on the eggs before. Roselito, Roselito, έλατε μπάνιο. Μπάνιο. Άντε, πιο κοντά. Έλα. Έλα εδώ. Έλα. Έλα. I think the little one, he wants the shower too. Ella, Junior. Junior, come over. Good boy. Ella. This little one on one of his legs. He don't have fingers. But he's in perfect condition. Yeah, Junior? That's his girlfriend there. Look at him, he's like one ball. Ella, Junior. I'm not gonna chase you. If you want a shower, you have to come. Not me to you. Hi, Junior girlfriend. Oh, it's nice. Shower? Good boy. Come here, there is the food. Hadi. Look, look, look. Again he went to his bottle of water and he will again empty it to me. But he's always trying to have a shower from there. Roselita. Έλα, baby. Έλα, αγάπη μου. Έλα. Έλα, sweetheart. Roselita μου. Good girl. Hadi, Junior. Let's make a shower. I like the way how they are. Look at them. They're like one ball. There is like a fish. There is one fish in the sea. When they get scared, it becomes like a ball. Something like this now. My birds is reminding me. I think I need to go to prepare for them the bowls with the water. They will enjoy it much more. She have a baby in the nest. Roselito. Roselito. Pat, come to make a shower. Happy guys, come down. Hi. All the birds are nice and they're different. Sorry guys, I have to leave the video. I'm gonna go to fill up for them the bowl with the water so they can enjoy it. As I can see, they want more shower. Can you see his leg? Oops, he ran away. With one he's catching properly the stick, with another one he's not. Because he don't have the fingers there. But he have a ring, which still stays on him. That's also good. He's taking the water from his drinking bowl. So, excuse me, I'll go to fill up for them a bathroom. Bye, everyone.